As you know, it's quite difficult to organize two proper sleeping areas on boats that have fishing platforms. Here's how Aluma Storm 477 solves this problem. Remove the table. Remove the stand. Take out the sleeping area mounts. One and two. Use the shortened stand. Put the table on top. In this case, the table will serve as the support for the sleeping areas. Then you put the mounts down. And what do we have here? We have two whole big sleeping areas. Big enough for two tall people. Just assemble the tarp all the way, install a heater, and make your fishing season last longer than ever.